Hello guys, this is FanofJD37 here, and guess what? I lost a tooth. Can you imagine that? And I got this at Walmart. It is a Thomas Mini box with a truck. And from what it looks like, the truck looks like it can fit on Trackmaster tracks or Tommy tracks. So anyways, let's get this open. Oh, it's a Thomas Mini James. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Alright, here is, oh! Classics section, pets, camping, breakfast. Oh, it's a Harold the Helicopter Thomas Mini. I didn't know those existed. Oh, hey, slime. So I have a slime James. Right. I'll sign that off. Hold on, James. I'll get to you later. I gotta sign it. Well, frick. Never mind. And over here we have Fantasy. So I'd recommend buying these at Walmart. But anyways, let's look at the crate. Now I know what you're all thinking. FanofJD37, throw away the box. And I'm saying no. Because it looks great. It looks like a crate. Like, imagine if you were trying to make a remake of The Great Race. How simple would that be? You could just cover up your engines and keep them in a crate. Look at that. Alright, we're at the set for Crofin, the Tank Engine, and his friends, which is going to be the future set piece for Season 3. And the set isn't very long because I was being lazy. But anyways, but no, I was just running out of ideas. Frick. I can't put James back into his box. Oh dear. Never mind, I'll just have him out of the box. Anyways, let's see if this... What? It actually fits! Alright, Slimy James. I thought this had butter on it. I was like, that'll be yummy. That'll go nicely with my breakfast. I know, I'm being sarcastic. So, let's see if our James can pull, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Alright, this will go nicely in my collection. Since I already have a Thomas Mini James. And now I have two Jameses. Yay! Anyways, there we go. Alright, Barry. Ready to pull the train away? Here we go. Ready, set, go! And, hold on, just for all of you out there, this is a Barry model, and it's kind of a little dirty. Don't judge me. I used wheat flour as dust, but I wouldn't recommend this because it can get on models pretty easily. So, that wraps it up for this unboxing video. Bye.